Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you use the marketing material for your customers that you've sold apps to. We've got the ability for you to create a poster as well as QR codes, and then we've got some Photoshop files. In this link over here, you can download a bunch of Photoshop files and customize them directly in Photoshop. But today we're going to take a look at the poster and the QR code. So the first thing I'm going to do is generate a QR code. Click on that, hit the add button at the top right of the screen here. Give it a name. So we're actually going to make one for one of our accounts, and then you can select share with means who's this going to be for, which means it's going to be in the back office of your client. So you can come down here and see all of the different apps that you've got. This is the one we're doing it for. You're able to select a color. I will select color blue, and then find the default links here. So we've got the Apple Store link, the Google Store link. So understand this QR code, if you scan it with an Apple device, it goes to the Apple Store. If you scan it with a Google device, it'll take you to the Google Store. The default link I always use for the Apple device. This was just in case people had Windows phones or Blackberries. But so that's what that's for. I've already found the links. I'm just going to copy and paste this. This is for the Apple Store. I will paste that over here and here, and then I'll go to the Google Store. It's the same app as you can see, and paste in the Google Store. I hit the submit button, and boom, right at the bottom of your screen there is the QR code you just created. Now this also works with the posters that you generate for the countersigns. Okay, so we've done this. Let's go to the poster section, click on that, and then same thing, add new at the top here, and then you're able to see all the different apps that you've got. You would select the one that you want to do it for. You've got two options here of templates. You can select one. I will select this one. You're able to customize all the text in here and here and here. We'll just spell this correctly and put has. Okay, and then you're also able to change the color at the bottom of the screen here. Let's see, it's the same color blue. And also, if you don't like the splash screen image here, you're able to upload a new image here. The size files are right, the size of the image is right here, 890 by 50. Sorry about that, my recorder had an issue. But anyways, 890 by 1590. Okay, I'm not going to do that for now. I just want to show you how this works. Again, you're able to customize all the text here, here, and here as well. Okay, and you're also able to turn off these icons and QR code if you want, if you don't want them in the sign. Hit the save button, and it's done. When you come back over here, you'll see it's deactivated. You just need to activate your poster. Once you've activated it, it will be available in the back office of your client. Let's take a look at where that is. I'm going to go to my client's back office right here. So this is the back office. Log in. Excuse me. And in the marketing materials, right over here, I'm able to see the QR code, which is what I just created here, as well as the posters. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.